Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, family? What's going on, everybody? Let's jump right into the riding today. On a little mission to go get a bag. How is everybody doing out there today? Welcome to another video. If you're watching right now and you ride motorcycles, let me know what you're riding out there. Drop a comment on what you're riding. Yeah, and remember, everybody, if you have any questions for me, feel free to drop them in the comments. I love reading every comment. I love reading all the comments. Yo, yo, yo! What is up, everybody? I hope y'all are doing wonderful out there. I hope y'all are doing wonderful. Bag secured, got the bag. Got the bag. Yeah, so I have a new motorcycle helmet coming in today. I ordered a new helmet. Super excited about that. I'm planning on getting some new tattoos here really soon. Yeah, I'm planning on getting some new tattoos here really soon. What's up with you guys? You know, what's going on in your guys' world? What's going on in your guys' life? Drop a comment, be interactive. If you watched the video until this point, if you put up with me for this long, if you liked the video at all, make sure to like, subscribe, follow, share with a friend, drop a comment down below. I appreciate you all so much. Like, seriously, like, I appreciate you all so much. Let's keep spreading love to the world. Let's keep growing. Okay, folks, we're gonna call this video a wrap. So much love, so much love. I appreciate you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Okay, peace.